In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the roundabout second exit. Your tester will ask you at the roundabout take the second exit, in this case straight ahead. At this roundabout, we're taking the second exit, which is at the 12 o'clock position. This is where we need to mention how to leave a roundabout. Leaving a roundabout routine is mirrors and signal at the exit before the exit you wish to take. Observation, a left mirror check as you take up position on the exit road. So, how do we take the second exit at a single lane roundabout? You do not signal on the approach because you are not going left from this road. You're actually going to join the roundabout and then leave the roundabout at the second exit. So, slow down, select the suitable gear, prepare to stop, keep to the left position, check to the right if clear and safe, continue, mirrors, signal, position left, and mirror check as you take up position on the exit road. And now you're driving straight, follow the road ahead. Please note, on approach to the roundabout, you don't signal left, you will only signal for exiting the roundabout. Dealing with a roundabout is not that difficult. Assess the roundabout on approach. This is so you know if the roundabout is busy or not. In this video, you will see that we are slow enough and close to the roundabout when we look to the right to see if we can proceed. As always, your driving instructor will help you with timing and local roundabout situations which may not be shown in our video. So make sure you get live lessons and get in as much practice as possible on roundabouts.